Hey everyone, I am Gunjan. Welcome you all on my channel GK Talks. You can find educational videos on my channel, and today in this video I am here with the new topic related to grade 5 social studies, and today's topic is the land of dense forest, means DRC. We'll talk about in this video about location of DRC. DRC means Democratic Republic of Congo. We learn about the location, plant life, wildlife, climate and the life of people there. So let's begin the explanation. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. The northern part is called northern hemisphere and the southern part is called the southern hemisphere. Equator passes through Africa, Asia and South America. The area in the north and south of the equator is called the equatorial region. It has hot and humid climate throughout the year. This region has thick evergreen forests which are called the tropical rainforest. The Democratic Republic of Congo, known as DRC, is a country located deep in the heart of African continent. As we all know that African continent is the second largest continent in the world. It lies in the torrid zone. The equator passes through northern DRC. It was ruled by Belgium till it became independent in 1960. It was earlier called Belgian Congo. In 1971, its name was changed to Zaire. Once again in 1997, its name was changed to the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is its present name, and its capital is Kinshasa. So let's talk about the location. The Democratic Republic of Congo is located on the western side of Africa. Equator passes through the northern part of this country. It is surrounded by Congo on the west, Central African Republic and Sudan on the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania on the east, and Zambia and Angola towards the south. Zaire is a big and important river in the world. A major part of the Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the basin of Zaire River. Zaire River, which is also known as Congo River, is the second largest river in the Africa. First largest river of the world is the Nile. The river is also known as the highway of Central Africa. The sources of the Congo are in the highlands and mountains of the East African Rift, as well as Lake Mavaria. The four major lakes of the country are Albert, Kivu, Edward and Tanganyika. The Zaire River enters the Atlantic Ocean near Matadi, which is the important port of the country. So let's talk about the climate of this region. Being near the equator, the climate in the most parts of DRC is very hot throughout the year. The evaporation of water due to the high temperature during the day makes the humidity very high. This causes clouds to build up the afternoon and the rain comes down at about 4 p.m. This happens almost every day, making the region one of the wettest in the world. In some parts of the DRC, especially in the south, it does not rain so much, while the summer is hot and wet and the winter is cool and dry. Let's talk about the plant life. Nearly half of the Zaire is covered with lush green thick forests called the equatorial forest. The trees in these forests are very tall. Bright sunshine and plenty of rainfall make the natural vegetation grow very fast. There is a thick undergrowth of shrubs and bushes. A large number of creepers climb the trees, adding to the thick vegetation. These forests remain green throughout the year and are known as the evergreen forest. In these forests, plants are so close to each other that their branches get entangled. They form a thick canopy at the top. At some places, these forests are so thick that even the rays of the sun cannot pass through them. That is why the forests of Zaire Basin are dark, dingy and damp. Zaire is sometimes called the heart of darkness. These forests abound in trees such as ebony, mahogany, rubber, bamboo, oil palm, etc. These trees are very useful to the people of Zaire as they provide raw material for many industries. Guys, you should know about that. The Zaire or African continent is called the natural zoo of the world. Let's talk about now wildlife. The tropical rainforests are full of animals, birds, reptiles, and insects. Rhinoceros, elephants, and hippopotamus live in swamps, and the rivers have crocodiles and alligators. Lion, leopards, giraffe, zebras, or wolves are found in the grasslands. The poisonous tsetse fly belongs to this region. To save the wildlife from hunting for pleasure, the government has set up wildlife sanctuaries and national parks here. Let's talk about the natural resources found here. DRC is rich in industrial metals like cobalt, manganese, tin, and copper. Copper is found in large reserve in Katanga in southern DRC. Most of DRC's income comes from the export of these metals. It also has deposit of gold, silver, and diamond. Mining is the most important economic activity in DRC. With about 48% of the land covered with forest, DRC has one of the best forest resources in Africa. Most people in the Zaire do farming. They grow vegetables, groundnuts, maize, banana, and guava. Rubber, coffee, cotton, and oil palm are the main cash crop of Zaire. The water of the Zaire River is used to produce electricity, which is exported to neighboring countries like Congo and Zambia. The capital city Kinshasa is the largest city in the Zaire. Matadi is the biggest port and a big railway terminal also. So let's talk about the life of the people. The people of Zaire belong to many different races and speak a variety of languages. People speaking the Bantu language from the biggest group. Most of the people in Zaire live in small villages. People in this region are quite tall and tough. They have a dark complexion and short curly hair. They follow their traditional ways of life. They wear light cotton clothes because of hot and humid climate. People are very fond of dance and music. Far away from the villages and in the thickest part of these forests live a primitive tribe known as pygmies. They are dark in complexion and very short, about 1.5 meters in height. They get food by hunting animals and gathering plant food. They live in camps which they occupy for only a few weeks. Then they move to a new place. They make hut out of branches and leaves. Since the weather is hot and humid, the tribal people do not wear many clothes, but on special occasions they wear colorful costumes. They enjoy singing, dancing, telling stories. The country has a good network of roads and railways. The cities are well connected with other parts of countries. Lakes and rivers are used for navigation. Zaire has a well-developed air transport system also. Like other Asian and African countries, Zaire is also progressing fast. The people of Zaire are proud of their country. So let's ponder for a quick revision that I have explained many things about this topic. So let's ponder it one by one. The evergreen forests are found on both sides of the equator. The Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa is located in the equatorial region. It is the third largest country in Africa after Sudan and Algeria. Thick equatorial forests of Zaire are rich in wildlife. DRC is rich in minerals and forest resources. Most people live in villages. Pygmies are the most well-known tribe of DRC. Kinshasa, the capital of Zaire, is the largest city of Zaire. So I hope, guys, this explanation will help you to understand the topic DRC, the land of dense forest. You can check my other videos related to social studies grade 5. The links are flashing on your screen. Check that out. I hope you will like all that videos, and that will help you to understand the different concepts relating to social study grade 5. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.